The BJP has named its two warriors to take on Congress top guns Sonia and Rahul Gandhi in the Congress bastions of Raebareli and Amethi. So the BJP spirited Supreme Court lawyer Ajay Agarwal against the Congress president in Raebareli, and Smriti Irani will take on Rahul Gandhi in Amethi. So in Raebareli, the constituency of the Congress president, the BJP will field a lawyer. Now this lawyer is popularly known in legal circles as PIL expert Ajay Agarwal. The Congress president is expected to file her nomination papers for the Raebareli Lok Sabha seat on the 2nd of April. That's what we're hearing from party sources.
Is actually going to seek in the court of the people their mandate. Elections are very humbling moments. When a politician is given a ticket from a constituency, he is actually going to seek in the court of the people their mandate. It's a humbling moment. In this moment, will you say that it's an equal contest or it is a tough contest?
It's an equal contest, and we have an edge because we have already fought.
You should remember that your words today will be held on May 16th when the results will come out.
See it. Even after 1 week or 15 days, you will definitely you yourself say on your channel that Sonia Gandhi is going to lose this election from Raebareli and BJP is going to win, Ajay Agarwal is going to win this election. We have already fought 75% of the election in Raebareli. People of Raebareli have reposed faith in me. And
have you been to Raebareli before this, preparing for this election? I hear you have been working in Raebareli for some time now. But have you? Is there an association with Raebareli?
Many times I have been earlier also. But for the last 6 months, from day in and day out, I am putting my all efforts in Raebareli to meet the people of Raebareli, to put their demands, to whatever their problems we are putting before the administration, before the police also. We are putting dharnas also, and all the district office bearer of the BJP district, all the workers, I'm thankful to them. They all are with me, and we are going to win this election this time.
And these were decisions taken very late last night. Smriti Irani, in fact, has said that she will give a tough fight to Rahul Gandhi and win. She is reportedly seen in the BJP as a candidate who can put up a credible fight in Amethi against Rahul Gandhi, and BJP sources say Irani has very little to lose as she still has 4 years left in the Rajya Sabha.
I'm extremely privileged and honored that my party deemed it fit to make me contest from the seat of Amethi. I think that there is a change which is coming to India which wants to be on the path of progress and development under the leadership of Narendra Modi, and we seek to bring that change to Amethi as well.